Located less than 15 minutes off the historic town square of Covington, Georgia, with fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment, is my latest listing. Welcome to 20 Wilshire Walk here in Covington, Georgia. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. This home is a recently renovated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch with almost 1,900 square feet and a bonus room, new carpet, and a full interior paint job including trim and ceilings. The owner's suite bath has been upgraded with tile floors, custom vanities with granite countertops, including an updated fixtures, and there's a huge master closet. The home sits on almost 3/4 of an acre with a large, fully fenced, level backyard with a large shade tree. The exterior is a brick front and 3-side cement board siding for low maintenance. Wilshire Meadows subdivision is a small, established subdivision of only about 20 homes and is within walking distance of Walmart and multiple dining options. The home comes with all appliances, even a washer and dryer. It's truly move-in ready. Come on in and let's take a look around. So if you have any questions or you need additional details about this property or you'd like to schedule your own private showing, call me at 404-803-4669 or I can be emailed at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I'd love to hear from you if you're thinking about selling your home. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button to learn more. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.